Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are new here, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers, and then let me know in the comments below that you're one of you recently subscribed, so that I can get to know you and we can start talking and stuff. So I am decorating my Currently page in my catch-all planner. In this video, this is the divider, so it matches really well. I used the teacher layout this week, so I was able to use this as the Currently page because that is the back side of it. So it worked out really well. I am super excited. I think I'm gonna do a mixture of like a fall bucket list, maybe a little bit of like a to-do list, and then some decorations. We're just gonna see what happens and let it play out. So let's go ahead and start. In this fall sticker book, why did I call it a list? It has an October sticker, which is perfect since this teacher extension pack is undated. I needed to have the month, so there's that. Then in this fall book, there is the fall bucket list stuff. So I'm going to use that. And then this teacher sticker book has some more of those ghosts. So I think I'm going to be able to use the rest of this page. So that's good. Oh, and look, this little washi strip. That should be fun. Let's see. Let's go ahead and start. I'm going to white this out, just these bottom corners. Okay. All right. So that really is super fun. I like those colors too. Let me see where I can use this strip. Maybe down here. Just a little something. I don't know if any of that is gonna match, so I might just put that off to the side. Then in this seasonal book, there's some good boxes. So I think I'm gonna use this candy one and this ghost. I'm gonna put well, should I kind of do it over here instead? Let's try it over here. Okay. Trunk or treat is really cute. I'm gonna put that maybe down there. Let's see what else. These are really beautiful pumpkins. I'm gonna use that in a different spread, I think. Okay, so these are some possible boxes that I might use. Other than that, let's see. I want to see where, so the ones that I definitely know that I'm gonna do, this might sound silly, but the ones that I'm definitely going to do, I want to put them on my catch-all, like in my weekly, when I do them. But the ones that I probably won't end up doing, I'm gonna put on here. Does that make sense? Just because it's cute. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Get a Halloween costume. It's really cute. I'm gonna put it right here. And then also put this fun ghosty down there with it. Then let's see. Read Halloween books. I want to do this with the journaling. Is it Journaling Doodles? There's some books. Yes. So right here. I don't know. Should I do it? I feel like I want to. Okay, the parts that are running off, I'm gonna cut off. Okay. Also, I'm gonna color it just a tiny bit because the black and white is not working for me. Okay, so I'm gonna color just a little bit. Okay, that matches. It's just a little bit too rich, but I'm just gonna keep it moving. It's no big deal. Let's put some ghosties up there. I actually am gonna do this one, but I really wanted to put it with the candy, so, you know. Okay, let's see what else. I'm definitely not gonna go horseback riding. But I don't know if I want to put that one in there. Let's see. I don't know where else I want to put them though. Make candy apples. Let me see. Let me move this. I'm gonna put this right there. Candy apples right there. And then I'm gonna find one. It needs to be kind of like long. Let's see. I'm gonna put visit a haunted house because I don't think I would ever do that. I'm not brave like that. I need to white out this. And maybe I'll make a little to-do list down there. Yeah, I'll put Happy Halloween over here, and then maybe a ghost, and then a little bit of decoration. Okay, and that's it. I really just want it to be cute, and I want it to be fun and festive. Ooh, look at this one. That one's good. Put it up here. Oh, and there's one more ghost. Well, 4th time is the charm. I keep moving this guy. Lots of ghosts. Okay, now maybe last thing is to, there's like a, let me see, hold on. Yep, this. So here we go. This month I want to okay, very good. And it fits. And then I'm gonna make that pop out a little bit. So let's see, I'll use purple. Let me make sure this is the right purple though. No. Here we go, right here. There we go. All right. So let me put it in the disc. Aw, it's so fun. I like it. Squad goals. That's really fun. I like it a lot. Really, really fun. Okay. So let me know what you guys like to use your currently pages for. I've been kind of bouncing around each month, and sometimes I want it to be just decorative. Sometimes I want it to be, you know, where I can actually put my currently things. Sometimes I like it to be functional. I just kind of bounce around. So let me know what you do. I'm really interested. So anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye guys.